commercial sites this morning, and I just want to take the opportunity to show you this machine. So this is the Comac P12 commercial vacuum, and I've had this for a couple of weeks now, and it's very quickly becoming one of my favourite vacuums, and I want to tell you the reasons why. So first of all, I'll tell you the price. This is a sub £150 commercial vacuum. So I got this from a commercial floor care supplier for £134 with 10 bags all in, including postage. So it's lower down the end of the price scale for commercial machines, and I think for the price this is brilliant. So here's a few things I like about it. So first of all, the unit itself. You've got a nice solid machine. It's all plastic, but it's nice and light, and it's quite a flexible kind of plastic, so it withstands bumps and wax and things like that pretty well. But the thing that impresses me with this is the fact they've paid quite a lot of attention to the things that matter. So things just like the clips on the side, they're metal, nice and solid, not going to break. Toolkit is probably one of the best I've used. So these are these are 37mm, nice and chunky. Get a nice chunky bend end. Get a nice telescopic wand. And look at this, you get a metal based floor tool, so a single pedal floor tool. Now, most of the other manufacturers have gone towards a much cheaper plastic based floor tool, and they're horrible to use. They're not particularly smooth, and they just don't do a good job on any surface. They're just nasty and cheap. So Comac have built a machine that's around the £134 mark with a decent quality floor tool, and it really is good. It's probably one of the best I've used actually. So that really impressed me. So you get a set of small tools, which for the price is something else you don't usually get on a lot of commercial machines these days. You get a good quality dusting brush. So this is the same dusting brush that comes with Victor V9 and the Kerr style machines, which is quite a bit more expensive. Crevice tool and an upholstery tool. So on the side, well, on the back, got a nice simple on-off switch, Mobi's red cable. Got a nice big filter, very easy to clean, lots of surface area, so it doesn't clog as quickly. So this is a 12 litre capacity machine, which is quite big. And the reason I like that is because, number one, it holds more dirt, so you're changing the bag less and less, and it does take pneumatic bags, which is good because they're cheap. But also, because you've got more surface area to play with, the machine keeps its suction for much longer. So I've used this across all my sites for the past couple of weeks. It's pretty full, and there's generally been no drop off in power at all, which is great, because it means you can keep going without having to change the bag. So for the price, for 134 quid, I think this is a winner. It's got an 850 watt motor, no reason to doubt its reliability in the long run. If it's reliable in the long run, then this really is a winner for the price. It's absolutely fantastic. It's a lovely machine to use. It's not going to break the bank, and it's simple, robust. What more could you want out of a commercial machine? It's old school quality, and that's what I like to see. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.